A GIS is a computer-based information system for collection, management, manipulation, analysis, presentation, and dissemination of geospatially referenced data. A working GIS integrates 5 key components in order to accomplish this. In this video, we will discuss the components of a GIS. Here we see the system of the GIS. Hardware, software, data, people, and methods work together in a system to disseminate information about areas of the Earth. Let's look at each part of the system in more detail. Hardware refers to the computer platform and peripherals associated with the GIS. This can include a computer, either a laptop or desktop, sometimes multiple computers, a scanner, and digitizer, and a plotter. Hardware can also refer to servers, either physically at your office or in the cloud. In the case of hardware, size and speed matter. GIS systems are very large and complex, so the faster and larger your computer is, the better it will be able to respond when you're performing complex queries. Software includes your operating system. GIS software of choice, ArcGIS for desktop, is what we use in this course, but there are other options as well. Some are even free. The next component of GIS is data. Your work is only as good as your data. Know your source, know your data, and know the spatial characteristics. GIS data can come from multiple sources. Satellite data, aerial photography, digital maps, tabular data, and other digital data all work together in a GIS to create new information and to form your picture of the world. Methods are defined as the plan and business rules, models, and procedures which are unique to each organization. They can include things such as analysis, as in how specific analysis is performed, including what steps are followed and in which order those steps are performed. Analysis may be automated or manual, or may be a combination of both. It can include how your data is captured, how often, and at what precision and accuracy levels. This can also include templates or requirements that are specific to an organization for each map, such as logos. Are they required? What sort of data attribution is required? How and where is the legend on each map? All of this may be defined specifically by your organization. The last and most important component of GIS is people. People are defined as the characteristics and capability of the people responsible for designing and implementing and using the GIS. In fact, people, you, are the most important component of the GIS. Why is that? Well, the proper use of the GIS depends on people structuring the research questions, performing the analysis, and judging whether the information extracted from the GIS is of value. In general, you matter. In a GIS, you think about the hardware and software. The decisions on the hardware and software are made by people. The decisions about data are made by people. People are critical and crucial components of GIS. Putting it all together, people, methods and procedures, data, hardware and software all work together to create a very powerful tool.